Dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 1, concepts of mechanical engineering. To course code is 25ME21I. This is a second sem subject. Okay, C25 second sem subject, 2 marks questions. The mention one application each of BCC and FCC structure. BCC structure body centered cubic. FCC nothing but face centered cubic. The answer is example. It is we can call it as in BCC. You can give an example for iron at a room temperature. Applications which we can use it for construction of materials like a steel, buildings, bridges. Due to high strength, we can use for body centered cube structures. Coming to the face centered cube cube, which example is an aluminium copper. You can give an example for that. Applications we can use it for electrical wiring like copper, aircraft parts like aluminium due to good conductivity and ductility and conductivity of the materials. Next is list any two objective of hardening process. So hardening process, what is the hardening process? To increase the hardness of the material. The next one is improve the wear resistance, means a resistance to rubbing and abrasion. Wearing nothing but resistance to rubbing and abrasion. So hardening make material to strong and more durable in engineering use. This is the process. It makes material strong and durable for engineering use. Next is electroplating. Define electroplating. It is a process of depositing thin layers one metal over another metal using electric current or electrolysis. Okay, electric current or electrolysis. Why we have to go for electroplating? Main objects of improving appearance, prevent corrosion, increasing the durability of the material. We are using electroplating. Next is define unit cell in a crystal structure. So what do you mean by unit cell? Unit cell nothing but name only indicate it is the smallest repeating structure or structural unit for crystal lattice. When repeated all the direction form an entire crystal structure. Okay, it is the smallest repeated structure in the crystalline lattice. So it is representing arrangement of atom in a crystalline solids. Okay. And next question, highlight any two property required for a good solar cells. So one is an high efficiency. So high efficiency nothing but it should convert maximum sunlight into electrical energy. Next is good conductivity. It should allow easy flow of electrical current. Next is mention any two important property of molding sand. Molding of sand. So one is an permeability, means allow gases to escape easily during casting. Permeability means which allow gases easily during casting process, that it will allow nothing but impermeability. Next is plasticity. Next property is a plasticity which helps to sand to mold in a desirable shape. This we call as an important property of molding of sand. Next is define extrusion metal forming process. So extrusion metal forming process nothing but heated metal forced through a die opening, obtain a desirable shape with a uniform cross section. That we call it as an extrusion of metal forming nothing but you want to make a one shape, a good cross sectional shape, we have to heat the metal until it will be the die portion has going to open. It commonly we can use it for making rods, pipes and section. We are using extrusion method. Next will be an write any two press operations with the examples. So one is in banking. Banking nothing but cutting a flat pieces form a sheet plate, that we call it as an banking. You have to cut the pieces, make it a plain sheets that we can making a metal disc in a coin. That coin shape will be formed. No, that is pricing. Piercing is, or we call it as an punching. Punching it making a hole on a sheet. So punching you have to punching making hole on a sheet. To make a hole on a metal sheet for the bolt and screw purpose we are using as a punching and pricing. Okay, see more information. If the information is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support. I am going to upload next model question paper 2 marks questions. Thank you.